guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today is food mass day 2 for me because I didn't start like early December and today is 8th December or something. So food mass day 2 for us, not like everyone's. So today I'm going to get some fruits from night market. If you don't know what night market is, it's a late market in University of Ghana. They don't close. They're always here 24/7. And I'm going with my friend and I. We had lunch about 2 thereabout. That's when we had lunch. And I told you guys I'm working on my tummy, so I don't want to be taking heavy food late at night. So we're just going to get some fruits, come make some fruit salads, and then we're good to go. Don't mind my hair because I have nothing to do to my hair, so that's it, and I'm tired. So see you guys once we're back from the market, okay? So guys, we're back from the market and we went to get a couple of things. Some pawpaw, some people call it papaya. This is mine. And what is this? Banana. Some bananas. You guys, let me tell you what this thing is. So we don't have a knife here because we're not home, so we do not have a knife. So when we bought the milk, we asked the guy there to open it for us. He should put it in this rubber so that it won't be difficult when we get here. And common sense should have told this boy that because we are taking it afar, he doesn't need to open it too wide and no need for double openings. But guess what? He did a wide opening and 2. Like, who the fuck asked you for 2 openings? So this is our milk for the salad and some mangoes. You guys, mangoes cost like 7 cedis. Hey, and then now fig tree now is to Cassie a crescent. So we have these mangoes for 7 Ghana cedis. Couldn't do anything. But bananas for 2 cedis, popcorn buckets into 1 cedi. And these papayas, one goes for 1 Ghana cedi. And this milk here is 4 Ghana cedis. So total, I don't know, 5, 7, 7, 9 plus 4 is what? 13. So, and then we bought some extra cups and everything. So Ewuraama is going to do the fruit salad, and then I'll see you guys. Hold on, don't go anywhere, okay? Yes, sir. So you guys, I'm done with the fruit salad. He rated it. It looks cute, smooth, and I'm sure it's going to taste nice. I've not tasted. Let me taste one. It's nice. The rest she won't come in the video, so unless I do tell me, she's laughing about it. Yeah, we are still waiting for our next president of Ghana. Shut up. They are still waiting for our next president. Yeah, I can't wait to. I can't wait to know who the next president of Ghana is. So you guys, let me tell you something. What happened? I'm buying the food. I don't like soft pawpaw. I like very hard one. And I made it very clear to the girl that I don't like soft pawpaw. and you give me soft pawpaw. I'm like, what is this? This is not what I asked for. I asked you for hard pawpaw. Now, Ira told me that I should keep quiet, that I'm annoying the girl. Look at this though. I'm paying the thing with my money. They are telling me I'm annoying her. Then I will let the girl's mother shout at him. I was like, shout at her for what? I'm paying for it. Damn. So far as I'm paying for it, you have to do the right thing for me. Or maybe let me know. The mango tastes so sour. What is this? I'm not sure the mango bread. What's the English name for bread? I don't know the English name for bread. The mango wasn't ripe. Yes. So ripe mango. The mango wasn't ripe mango. Mango bulu. That's what the girl gave us. I don't make it so nice though. I never knew. Yeah, I like popular milk. That's what I use for my pancakes. Because it gives it that color that I want. Did you guys vote? Hey. The whole Ghana, the most toughest constituency voting was Ewuraama. It was like Roman Reigns and Undertaker. So you can just imagine. Ewuraama milk is small, but the milk is finished. It's small. Have you poured some? When we were little, my mother, she used to say that, you guys, this is Ewura's banana mango what? Shake. I don't know why Ewura bought mango, because I didn't buy mango. Ewura didn't want to. Hey, banana. Ewura didn't want to match with me. So I didn't want to eat banana, but Ewura wants to eat banana. I'm sure if the third mamacita was here, she would have not bought banana. She would eat pawpaw with me. Correct. So guys, hey, our third mamacita just texted. You guys, I know there's something juicy. I'm coming. I'll finish with you guys before I'll go to him. Please guys, tell your friends to subscribe to the channel. Today I really didn't have anything to say, like not really didn't have anything to say, but like since we are in Christmas and I wanted to do a food mass, I wanted to share with you guys what I've been eating these days, because I'm trying to work on my tummy. So yes guys, and please, if you have any business that you do, please leave it in the comment section with your number, okay? When the channel hits 300 subscribers and I want to do the giveaways, I'll look through the comments, those who have businesses, and purchase from them for the subscribers, okay? So I can't finish this with you guys because So nice. So I keep saying so what? Like, shut up, sis. I'm done. Peace out, guys. Peace out, people. Peace out, babysitters. I love you all. Same time next week. It's finished. I was telling you guys that when I was little, my mom would buy a container, open the milk and pour it inside, because she'll be like, when some of them on second kind, you every CC milk container. Oh, mothers, you could never love them less. You always need to love them bunch. Yes, I'll be a mother soon. Bye.